I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your phone and the Wi-Fi QR code for scanning. Open Settings and turn on Wi-Fi, then enable the camera or a QR scanner app. Make sure the network name and password are encoded in the QR image and visible on screen. Confirm your device supports Wi-Fi QR Connect and is running recent software to avoid compatibility issues. Point your phone camera at the QR code so the code fills the viewfinder. Wait for the system prompt that offers to join the Wi-Fi network encoded in the QR. Tap the Join prompt and confirm any details such as network name, security type, or hidden SSID if shown. If the device does not autofill a password, copy the password from the QR display and paste it into the manual field. If the scanner fails, clean the camera lens, then hold your phone 3 to 6 inches from the QR code. Try changing lighting and angle, or use a dedicated QR scanner app if the camera fails. For security, prefer WPA2 or WPA3 networks and avoid open public Wi-Fi without a VPN. Finally, delete temporary images containing passwords and forget the network if you detect suspicious behavior or unknown devices on your connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.